my gate I'll always greet you, at my door you're welcome in. There can be no transgression as a means to an end. So when the wolves are howling, open arms are closed in fear, helping hands are clenched in anger, broken hearts beyond repair. Everything's so great, can't get better, makes me wanna cry. But I go out now at the moon tonight. There she stands, so tall and mighty, with her keen and watchful eye, and the heart of a mother holding out her guiding light. It's a hard road to travel, this old rock from end to end. The sun that rises on the ground sets upon the great expanse.